Let's make this delicious apple zucchini bread. To a large bowl, add 1 cup of shredded zucchini, half a cup of almond milk, half a cup of honey, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir that until well combined. Then don't be like me and forget to add 1/3 cup of oil. Mix those together, then set it aside and get together your dry ingredients, which is going to be 2 cups of white whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a couple of teaspoons of some spices to give the bread a nice flavor. Mix those together, and then you're going to gradually add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. Once you've almost added all of the flour, fold in the diced apples, and this helps prevent them from sinking to the bottom of the bread. Stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Pour the batter into a prepared loaf pan, and we're going to bake this at 325 for 50 to 60 minutes. Then you'll have a perfect dessert that's also nutritious enough to eat for breakfast. Enjoy!